Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are outside the country, if you are in America, London, anywhere you find yourself, and you happen to be a Ghanaian, this is Adum, okay? This is the place. I know you missed this place. Okay, so the place you are looking at, like the front, is Malcolm, okay? Malcolm is like the central place. Anyway, come with me as I walk. It's like 8 p.m. in the evening, and I'm taking you on a stroll through Adum, okay? It's actually rained. It has rained, so this is Cowbank. Oh man, this is Oman Berlin Online. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We will go all the way to, like, as far as we can, you know. That's Franco over there, Franco Trading. Okay. Let's cross to the other side. There's a car coming. Coming to the other end. Yes. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the video anyway. Yeah, I'm Eugene Rockstar. Oh, Kumasi is filthy, you know? Kumasi. The Zoom Lion workers are doing their job. Sure. So this is where they repair phones, okay? Yeah. They do online repair, software repairs and stuff. Women selling here and there. Let me watch my step. It's actually 8 p.m. in the evening. It's almost 9 p.m. But I haven't checked my time. Shall I see the trotro? If you're there Yankee, you know they see trotro. So let me show you. Make I show you. Okay? But this one is banging sounds. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm wearing my mask, so pardon me for if my voice is muffled, okay? But you see the ground is not so cool. In Ghana, this is one of the problems that we have. When it rains, the ground becomes nasty. The ground becomes nasty. But this is Kejetia PZ. Okay, this is not really Kejetia, but this is, I don't even know where this is. And I'm trying to cross the road. It's quite dark in here. Okay, so somebody's car parked over there. I don't know if it is legal for you to be parked here, but we are going all the way into the Kumasi zone, you know. A little bit of situation there. I hope you're enjoying the ride. Somebody is roasting some kebab over there. Yeah, this is PZ area, okay? Kebab. This is PZ. You know, some people wouldn't like me to video, so I'll try not to video anybody. But I want to bring the content to you. You understand? Check this out. What are they doing? Oh man. So this is PZ. This is the new Kejetia. Maybe I should take you through the new Kejetia. That would be another day. Sorry. The place is full of mud. Good place. The place is muddy, man. Nasty and muddy. I'm bringing you everything, the whole hustle. Oh man. I'm bringing you the whole hustle. So this is the transport situation problem I've been talking about, okay? That's the new Kejetia. Okay, so let's cross the road. Let's cross the road. So I'm going to take today. I'm actually going to take a trotro to Chrono. So let's see how it goes. I don't get a car too. People selling on the pavement. Okay, so I finally got a car. Finally got a car. Let me try and bring you a video from here. So this is the new Kejetia. I'll bring you a video on that. That's the new Kejetia. Let me see if I could. Yeah, that's the new Kejetia right there. It's not bad.